What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We're doing the 3-spot random for group break 238. 238. So we're going to go live. We're live at 525. It's 525 here in Massachusetts. We got Benny, Ryan, and Greg with the 3-spot holders. Top 2 are going to win. Top spot is going to win the extended series box. And spot 2 is going to win the $50 in group break credit 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2. Benny on top after 2. Copy. Do a little timestamp there. $5.25. $5.25. Third and final time, guys. Greg, you get the extended series box, and Benny, you get the $50 in group break credit. Congrats, guys. $5.26 and $5.26. Congrats, guys.